Hello guys, welcome to CHVM. I'm Kevin. Here is our product for customers ready to go. Now I'd like to show you the details of this product. This is a brand new truck head from Sinotruk. It's a Hover model, 380 horsepower. The engine is Weichai brand. It is most famous in China and very powerful. Here, we manufacture the fuel tanks for our customers. Now, I'd like to show you something special. This is our customers' unique request. They need a fuel pump to pump in and pump out to make the loading fuel and unloading of fuel efficient. So we install the fuel pump for the customer, and it's powered by the truck head. There's a PTO takes the power from the truck head gearbox, and we also place 4 fire extinguishers just in case for safety. Right, you can't be too safe. Here you can see the LED light. We use the steel net protection. It's our, from some details you can know. We think from the customer's standard. We also use a water tank for the drivers and workers to wash their hands with solutions. The other 2 fire extinguishers here. And here is most important for any fuel tank, right? You can see this fuel tank is with 4 compartments. That's why they have 4 valves. The valves, they can unload the fuels separately, one by one, or we combine 2 valves together to unload together, or all 4 unload together as long as the fuel is 1 gallon, right? And here is the main valve. Here is the unloading pump, and here is the 3 mechanic suspensions, and of course with 3 axles, double tires. And I'd like to show you the details. You can see all the pipes. It's wrapped with the plastic belt to protect it well. That's why our tank is different and special, because we think more for our customers. And the toolbox is located at the rear part of the tank. And the other one is there. They are both toolboxes. Here is the folded and unfolded ladders for the workers to climb up. Let me show you how to do that. It's folded down. Let me unfold it. The workers can climb up to work. It's very efficient and very safe. Now we also use the rubbers here in case of any bumps to hurt the rear bump. and also we wrap the plastic belt as anti-slipping measures. And climb up safely. Okay, that's all for our product here. And CHVM manufactures different kinds of tanks. If you have any need, welcome to us.